FYI, the arcade machine is coming together. I made this frame for the marquee, which is basically a touch screen and some lights. If I manage one day to get a wider screen that's touch screen, I'll put it here instead. So I'm going to make it adjustable. Otherwise, this is how the whole thing looks right now. It's a work in progress. I'm making this jig because I need to cut planks into smaller pieces, and then I'm going to make shelves, because I need shelves in the living room. There's still a lot to do here. I still haven't 100% finished the rising shelf over there, and right over here is going to be the other rising shelves for the music setup. Anyway, it's a lot of work, and I kind of burned myself out today, so I'm going to go and eat and relax. Anyway, thanks for tuning in.